Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to customize product gallery thumbnails in WooGallery. With WooGallery, you can easily replace your default product gallery with a more attractive and interactive design to grab attention and boost sales. So, let's get started. First, go to the WooGallery Global Settings. Under the General Settings tab, you'll find the Gallery Layouts option. Here, you can explore 16 unique and engaging layouts. Since we're focusing on thumbnails, choose a layout that includes thumbnail options. After selecting the layout, you'll see several thumbnail options. Let's explore them. First, you'll find the Thumbnail Items Display Type option. This lets you control how many thumbnails are shown at once. For the best results, it's recommended to use the Auto option, as it automatically adjusts the thumbnails to create a clean and responsive layout. Next, you can customize the thumbnail spacing, inner padding, size, and border to match your design perfectly. Then, choose a thumbnail hover effect. This adds a more dynamic and interactive look to your product gallery. Next, select the active thumbnail style that matches your overall design and enhances the look of your gallery. You can also adjust how inactive thumbnails appear. Set them to opacity, grayscale, or normal. And that's it! That's how you can customize product gallery thumbnails in WooGallery. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other tutorials for more helpful tips.